Hey y'all, so this is me 3 months and 2 well-needed haircuts post-lock takedown, and I'm finally ready for braids. I like to pre-part my hair so the braiding process is faster, so I'll need a rat tail comb and shining jam. First, I take the middle end of my comb and make a part straight down the middle of my head, starting from my forehead to the nape. Then I put one side up, and using the teeth of the comb, I'm going to make a part from the middle of my crown to my ear. Put that up, and then I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Now there should be 2 sections at the top of your head. You want to put the rest of your hair up, and then you're going to use the top of your ear as a guide for your first horizontal part in the back. Once this is done, you can make however many parts in this area depending on the size braids you're going for. I'm thinking medium, and my head is kind of small, so I'm going to do 2 sections in this area. And just to make sure they're out the way, I always braid the back sections to the scalp, but simple plaits will work as well. Now I reestablish my middle part in the back and create more horizontal sections going towards the top. Pause. Do you see these ends? This was a result of me dipping my hair in a bowl of almond milk, so I had to shampoo and dry this area back out. Now let's continue. Now that the back is done, it's on to the front, which should be super quick. Now the front of your head is the bread and butter, baby. I don't care what the back looks like, that front has to be on point. So in order to make it super crispy, I'm going to be using some shining jam and placing it on my parts so that I can get it as crispy as possible. I start with the middle section so I know that they're the exact size that I want them, and then I work my way towards the outer edge of my head. Now I'm still using the comb to measure out my parts, and they're also going straight back. Also for this area, I'm going to be using the back parts as a guide to the front. And sometimes I do this and sometimes I don't. So in this case, it's a little bit of both. I done told y'all my head's small, so not too much. The pre-parting process just makes braiding easier overall for me. And I'm going to make sure that I link this 3-way mirror in the description so you all can have access to it as well. I can put my hair up and call it a night. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.